this week's episode, we are getting patriotic, baby. Woo! When you cars driving around. Hey guys, welcome back to The Garage Couple. On today's episode, we are getting patriotic. We are going to be mounting this gorgeous flag on the back of our Rubicon. Also, something you guys have been waiting for, we are going over the giveaway for today. We hit 3,000 subscribers. We're so grateful for all your love and support. So stay tuned to see how you could be entered in the giveaway.
Just say yes, even if it doesn't. Just say yes, it works. I will never know. I'm never gonna see it.
When we see this flag, we are so thankful, so grateful to be living in the country that we live in. Thank you to everyone who's been keeping us safe. Thank you for everyone that's been on the front line, making sure that we get what we need. We love you guys, we support you guys, and we're all in this together. As it should.
I knight thee as the flag bearer. What is going on, Garage Couple fans? We have an amazing episode planned for you this time around. We hit 3,000 subscribers and we are finally doing our next giveaway. Now, if you follow our channel, we do lots and lots of giveaways. We've given away headlights, fuel injectors, light bars, light pods, all of the above. We always send out free stickers and we love giving back to the community, and this episode is no different. Now, this is the craziest giveaway we have ever done, and we are spending money from our own pockets. Arlene, why don't you tell them what we're doing this time?
Alrighty, you guys, if you are the winner for this giveaway, you can pick any product on Amazon for $100 or less, and we will ship it directly to you.
As long as you're in the United States and over 18 years and older, we will directly ship a Jeep part to your door from our door, I guess,
Our door to
Amazon's
your door?
door, something like that. And the way it's gonna work is as follows. Go ahead and drop a comment below of exactly what part you want, where you're from, and your name. And what we'll do is after 1 week, we are gonna go ahead and do a random drawing of all of the comments, and we're gonna go ahead and pick a winner and send them the $100 or less Jeep part. Now, as a double or nothing style episode, we are getting patriotic today. We are installing the best flag mounting solution to our Jeep Wranglers. So stay tuned to check out that amazing content.
For those of you that are new to our channel, my name is Arlene, my husband's name is Greg, and we own 3 Jeeps. We have a Rubicon, we have our TJ, and we have our JK back over where. So we're super excited. We love doing DIYs in the garage, and we'd love to have you along for the ride.
So make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a line below with any suggestions. I don't know if you've noticed or seen the video, but those are 38s on a stock suspension. Not for long though. Stay tuned for that. Now, why don't we get started with the ROX flagpole and mount.
So we have been waiting to get a flag mounted onto the Jeeps. We really wanted a mount that was going to give us access to the tailgate along with the spare tire, and this is what we came up with.
So why don't you show us what it all comes with?
You're going to get a couple of boxes, great set of instructions. I already read them. This is going to go, you're going to take the spare tire off. This is going to go in that location. Flag mount, the pole.
That ain't a pole.
That's where the pole goes. And then some more wear, metalware, silverware.
Wow, cool
Little bit
guy
everything.
over here. Wear.
Wear.
I've heard of all sorts of things and not some wear.
All right.
What else does it come with, Ollie?
Okay. You're gonna get your beautiful pole. What I really like about this one is the height can adjust, which is amazing. A lot of us have garages, so we have to lower it when we're going in our garages, and we can put it back up to wave everywhere when we're driving.
So let's hope it fits on our Rubicon without it looking silly. Otherwise, we're gonna put it on the Sahara. So the plan right now is to put it on our patriotic Rubicon and go from there. And what's in that one?
Bracket?
So that is the license plate relocation bracket. In case you want to move your license plate from that location to this location, we're going to avoid that for now because we don't want to figure out how to do the license plate light. And we just put these nice LED tail lights on. And so we're going to keep that. And that, what is that, Arlene?
That is the flag.
Why don't you open it up?
Man, I love seeing an American flag. Wow.
Well, now you have to be careful. It can't touch anything, right?
I will not let it.
All right,
Let's
we're
not
going to have
open
to
it all
censor
the way.
some stuff, block some stuff out.
Yeah,
But
we're
why don't we
gonna
get started? So what's step 1, Ollie?
Alrighty, let's take the spare tire off.
All right, let's do it. Did you see that, guys? I got the death stare. You could do it, put your back into it. Well, what you're doing is you're pulling that way.
I'm pulling up.
Well, you want to give yourself the best position possible and use the effect of gravity. So if you just basically block one side and mark down, you can go ahead and take it out.
Thanks, Greg.
Simple tech tips by Greg and Arlene as a student / apprentice. Now Arlene's actually thinking about starting her own YouTube channel called Garage Arlene. And pretty soon I'm gonna have to start a Garage Greg. So stay tuned for that, guys.
No. Hey Greg, I have a great tip for you. So why don't you put it in an angle to give you the best possible torque?
Okay.
Yeah.
Torque, huh?
Torque.
All right.
And use the force of gravity.
Cold hard American torque. Bye-bye. So the way this is gonna work is it's gonna go through that center cap over there, out, and then we're just gonna bolt it all up. It should be anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. Doesn't really require a whole lot of tools. But now that Arlene's almost done with that last lug nut, we're gonna drop the rim here. Rim, tire, wheel.
Hey Greg, I have a tip for you. Maybe we should call it what it's supposed to be called.
Oh, is that what we're supposed to do? How's that lug nut coming?
Magic. Let me take it off.
Okay, go ahead.
Try it. See that? So usually, get yourself a good angle, use the force of gravity.
Okay. All right. That is some gravity work in there, isn't it?
That's right.
All right.
Welcome to Garage Arlene. Alrighty, you guys. So now that we have the spare tire off, let's go over the directions. It says install the stationary base plate and reinstall tire and tighten lug nuts. Seems pretty straightforward.
And in the meantime, I'm gonna just pop the center cap off our spare.
Okay.
Should we even put it back on? Do we need a spare tire?
I don't know. After putting those ones on, that one kind of looks funky.
You know what? Maybe we can get a little bonus in this episode. This brake light doesn't work. Let's get to the bottom of it. Oh, I think I got to the bottom of it. Well, that shouldn't be like that.
Right.
Okay, so why don't we do this? We'll get back to that install. Why don't we figure this out?
Okay, so we're not going to do that then. No spare. Take that out.
Oh no, we can go spare. We just have to figure out why this is not connected. Where did we lose our wire? And why did we lose our wire? I don't know why they did that, but here it is. Do you guys see that over here?
No.
Looks like someone sliced our wire for our brake light. For whatever reason, we got wire cut. So it would be nice to reconnect this, but I don't think that
Is there enough slack?
I don't think there's enough slack in it. I guess you just go like this. We might as well reconnect it.
So we found the culprit for why that third brake light was not working. It looks like the wires were cut from the front end as well as the back end. We tried pulling it to see if there was enough slack on this back end that I'm showing you. There was not. So Greg is going to strip those wires, extend them, and push them through. Let's rewire it. Hope that it works.
Some of my favorite wire here. I believe it is 18 gauge. If you would like to get the same roll as I did, I got mine pretty cheap. I will put a link in the description below so you could find the exact one that I'm using here. But right now, I'm just extending the wire so that I can, in the future, modify it as well. But hopefully the third brake light works after this point. It's nice having a third brake light, don't you think?
I think that's
Pretty
essential.
important.
Yeah.
Sorry to divert from the topic here, huh?
Yeah.
We'll get right back to the ROX flagpole mount in a second, but while we have this out, might as well get it done. Now, a lot of viewers have recommended different styles of alligator connectors, and we do have some. We did listen to our viewers. We purchased some. However, I don't have a heat gun, so I can't use it just yet. I wanted to get a heat gun, but everywhere is closed for business.
Get some of your electrical tape. Secure the location, boss. Secure the location. Yeah, I'm happy we figured out the third brake light.
Like it never happened.
I opened that up for you.
Thank you.
Mm.
Huh?
You know, when you use gravity, it really helps.
You know, you always want to use gravity. One way or
Always.
another. You will never fight gravity.
Yeah, don't fight.
Let's strip these guys one at a time. I suppose they are dirty.
Yeah.
Okay, now we get our new line here. We strip as well.
Strip it. Strip it good.
Dun, 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 dun.
No.
This reminds me, I need some more connectors.
Run a little dry.
It's running a little dry, but it doesn't help that Amazon is taking forever to get stuff to the house. Alright. And away we go.
What's that from?
I have no idea.
Name the movie.
I have no idea.
3,
Two.
2.
1. What movie?
It's Grease. Come on.
Is that it?
Yeah, right before the carnival starts.
Alright, I'm gonna hit the brakes. Let me know if it works.
All right. No.
Oh. I am stupid. It has to be closed to work.
No.
It doesn't work.
No.
Okay. I am a doctor.
Okay. What are you gonna do? Some surgery or something?
Well, guys, maybe they cut it for a reason. Oh my god, it doesn't work. Just get rid of it. So this over here is a T20 that I am gonna be using to remove that cap. All right. Oh! All right.
Don't mess with me.
Let's pop this guy in. Let's see if it works. Just say yes, even if it doesn't. Just say yes, it works. I will never know. I'm never gonna see it.
Yes! Oh, wonderful, Greg.
Did it work?
You did such a fantastic job.
work?
Yeah.
It didn't work, did it? Did it work?
Yeah, it totally worked.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, it worked. I'm not joking. It worked.
It worked?
Yeah, it worked.
It did?
Yeah, it worked.
Oh, holy crap, that's great.
Yeah.
So is the bulb. It worked?
I swear it worked.
Alright, I guess I could...
Check the footage.
Why don't you guys take a poll or comment below. Who do you think edits these videos? You think it's Arlene or you think it's Greg? I don't know. It could go either way, it looks like.
Yeah, that it could.
For sure it's Arlene.
For sure.
For sure.
I'm pretty creative, Greg. That's what teachers do, you know?
Oh my goodness. Alright. That is in there.
Wow, it worked. All right, fantastic.
Or maybe not.
Or maybe not.
Maybe not. Okay, let's put some electrical tape and grab my best friend, the zip tie.
Alrighty, is it on?
You're not hearing me.
I tricked you.
Wow, it works.
Must be magic.
That's awesome. We did it. So we got a little carried away there. We were so excited to get this installed that we went ahead and put the screws in the incorrect order. No one else to blame but me. But what we're gonna do here
It's okay. It's okay, Greg. We all make mistakes.
is some more than others.
Oh, that was nice.
Yeah, you
You
did.
didn't point at me. So this is gonna hold the pole.
This is super easy. If only every install is this easy.
I think I know one.
Which one?
The computer.
Oh,
The
that's
one with
right.
the-
That's right. That was a piece of cake, wasn't it?
That was so easy. Make sure to check that out. You guys, our computer went bad and we're getting all sorts of codes. Little to find out, little to know. We found, what's the phrase? Little to know? Little.
I don't know where you were going with that one.
All right. Well, we found out it was the computer. We swapped it out and running like a champ.
How long did the swap take?
Literally 5 seconds. So easy. 3 clips, plug and play.
I love when parts go in as designed. I mean, check this thing out. We just screwed this in over here. We're not using the license plate adapter because we're not relocating our license plate, but that is such a great option for those people that are looking to relocate their license plate. The nice thing is this fits every Wrangler. Doesn't matter if it's a TJ, JK, JL, CJ.
As long as you're a part of the family. Oh boy. What's happening, Greg?
Slight modification here.
Oh boy.
So, you could mount it as is, 100%. It goes in perfectly fine. It would be nicer if there were more holes on the whole side of it so you could pick exactly which height you would like. That is one suggestion I have. However, we are pretty happy with this kit. I mean, it looks very sturdy overall, but I'm gonna go ahead and drop another hole on the side just so I can mount it a little lower. We are planning on raising this Jeep pretty high up, so we don't want it to block the garage or anything like that. But we do like how it will stand like nice and tall. So let's tighten this, grab some protective goggles, and let's go.
Babe, got the goods. Hold on, hold on. Woo!
It's that easy. We put a hole in it. Let's move on.
Let's do it. So what we had to do was take the pole mount off, slide the pole in, just so it wouldn't hit the top of the garage, and then remount it straight on the bracket. Awesome.
Now there's just one little piece to the puzzle left. We're gonna go ahead and slide these retainer clips on. Very easy, and each one has a little D-ring one. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Let's do this. Very careful with our amazing flag here. Let us go ahead and mount this through the D-rings. Well, that's one. And this is number 2. And we can go ahead now and stretch this up. And you know, I'm gonna just lift it as high as I can so it doesn't touch the floor at all. Tighten it down. Alright. And same thing down here. And there we have it. It is all done. That is our beautiful, beautiful American flag. And that went on in about 15 minutes with not much of a fuss. This thing is sturdy and it still allows you to open the tailgate without any issues at all. And it basically allows you to drill anywhere along the shaft and mount it as high as you want. So in our case, this is lower than the top of the Jeep, so it's never gonna get in the way if we're gonna go in a parking garage or structure or anything like that. Now this kit is pretty affordable and it goes on really easily. It comes with everything you need to get the job done, and in fact it even has a license plate relocation mount if that's the way you want to do it. Now I would highly recommend this product. The link is going to be in the description below. If you'd like to check it out, check them out on Instagram. This is Rocks Off-Road. They make this product. Now, the moment you have all been waiting for, our giveaway at 3,000 subscribers. Now, we're incredibly grateful that for all of your support, all of the likes, comments, suggestions. We literally got this Rubicon so we can continue the channel, keep growing the channel, and show basically how to do easy, affordable mods at home for fun. And I think we're doing a pretty good job. What do you think, Ollie?
I think so.
So if you'd like to enter our giveaway, you must be 18 years and older and located in the United States. All you have to do is comment below what item you'd want on Amazon, your name and your location. And what we'll do 7 days from when this video is posted, we are gonna pick one commenter at random, and we're gonna go ahead and email them and send them and figure out how to send them the part that they requested, and we will check back in with the winner in about 1 week. Thank you for watching and happy Jeeping. Stay tuned for the ride.